Hi, good morning and welcome to my studio. This is Nancy, getting ready to teach my Mandala Design Mosaic workshop. Probably, gosh, the 10th or 12th time I've taught this workshop. It's always my favorite to do because I'm a person that loves patterns. This is a sample of what we're going to be doing. It's that size. And each one of my students always, of course, creates their own designs and their own color palette. Stations are all set. You'll see we've got rulers, protractors, compasses, tape measures, calculator. Gosh, too much math with this. One of the great things about this workshop is we're going to be working with 7/8" Vit tiles, glass tiles. And they're so much fun because there's such a variety of colors and they're easy to work with. And you don't need a lot of glass cutting skills. All we really need are some good wheeled nippers. So we'll be setting directly using these beautiful furniture grade birch plywood discs. They're all ready to go. I've sealed the other side and put the picture hangers on them for everybody. And oh, oops, she's not part of the workshop. Gracie, what are you doing out here? And we have an assortment of very healthy snacks today. Oreos and Cheetos, my favorite. I have some samples here that I put together that will kind of spark everyone's imagination because, of course, with Mandala designs, the geometry is infinite. So I'll be posting pictures along the way and videos of their progress. I think it's going to be fun. We have 9 students, and I have some students here. I'm in Indiana, and they're coming from North Carolina, Tennessee, Minnesota, and Ohio. It's going to be a fun group, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, this is first session, almost at the end of the Mosaic Mandala Design Workshop. And I got to show you, this is Nancy's, not this Nancy, but a different Nancy. I love the border. Look at all these little petals that she created by nipping this 7/8" glass. And we've got kind of a Mexican, I don't know, those are southwestern Mexican colors in my mind. And look at this center section. Isn't this great? Great beginning.
Yeah, that much.
And this is beautiful too. Look. And Sheila's always stunning. Sheila's done this Mandala workshop before and is a pro. I love this. It reminds me of a deck of cards.
That's what I got on there. Yeah.
And Jeannie is slow. Jeannie is really slow.
But she's very indecisive.
But this is going to be fabulous. Everything she does is always wonderful. And look at this by Chris. These are my favorite colors. This is going to be amazing. And Janet, perfection, everything she does. Look at this. This is a yoga color combination, right?
Yep.
Yoga.
Yeah.
And this is beginning. We'll work tomorrow for 4 more hours setting, and then Monday night is grout night.
Oh, okay.
Hey everybody, this is the second session of our Mosaic Mandala Design Workshop, and everybody's on the home stretch. This is Wendy's. It's gorgeous. Now she's a stained glass artist, so she's got some pretty good glass cutting skills, so she cut these yellow triangles out of art glass. Nancy's is gorgeous. I love this color combination. And piñata, Mexican, love it. We got the home stretch coming here. We're going to get there. We're going to get there because tomorrow night we grout. So we got to get this finished today, but I think we will. And look at this. Isn't this color combination fabulous? And I love the border as well. And kind of a peacocky thing going on here. Okay, over Sheila's shoulder. Once again, I said it looks like a deck of cards. I love it. And this is I love the individuality of everybody's work when they come to my workshops. Everybody does their own thing and kind of creates their own style. And this is Jeannie's, and we'll grout this in a pretty gray, and it's so amazingly organic. It's just gorgeous. And look at that circle. I will take credit for cutting that.
Please do.
And Chris is moving along a little slow, but you know what? We have time.
Yeah.
So she'll get it done. It's worth it because she's taking care in everything she does. And look at these soft colors. Oh, God, what a great job. And I think I've shown them. Yeah, that's all of them. So we'll have a few people are grouting tomorrow, and a few people will be grouting on Tuesday. So I'll be sure to post pictures when their creations are finished. So welcome to Grout Session, the final session of our Mosaic Mandala Design Workshop. And Wendy has grouted in black, and she's doing the final cleanup, and it's just going to be fabulous. And we tinted this, we made some gray grout and tinted it with a little blue colorant. So this is just perfect on what Jeannie's working with. Let's see this gorgeous. I'm over your shoulder. Ooh, it's coming to life.
Okay, now
Yes.
I'm all the way around the outside.
Okay. And let's see. Oh, this is gorgeous. Cleaning, cleaning, and cleaning. So I'll take pictures when they're all cleaned up and finished.